there, welcome back to my channel. My name is Katlyn Duncan and I am a traditionally published author and ghostwriter. If you're new here, hit that subscribe button and ring that bell so you know the next time that I post a video. Last week I discussed the pros of digital first publishing. If you haven't watched it, I'll link in the cards above and the description box below. Today I'm going to talk about the 4 cons of digital first publishing. Number 1, not being taken seriously as a real author. Yes, you heard that right. People have called digital first authors not real authors. And you know what? As I mentioned in the pros video, the publishing process for a digital first author is the same. I have a contract. I have an editor who edits my book. And my publisher creates a cover and makes it available for everyone to read. So yeah, I'm a real author. Which leads into number 2. Along with readers not taking digital first authors seriously, people get real bent when they can't hold a physical copy of my book in their hands. I'm not the only author to get the face when they realize that they can't walk into a insert big bookstore here and get my book. No, I may not have a physical book to hand to you, but have you ever heard of a Kindle, iPad, tablet, phone, anything? Have you ever ordered a book off Amazon or Barnes & Noble? It's the same process, but there is a perk. Remember that time you ordered that physical copy of a book? Remember how you had to wait for it to ship? Well, with my ebook, it zips right to your e-reader in seconds. So no, you can't have a physical copy of my book right now. But you know what? It's possible down the line, but that's up to my publisher to decide, not me. Number 3, no advance. Most of the time, traditional authors do receive an advance. But instead of an advance, I receive a higher rate of royalties on my ebooks. As long as I'm selling my book, I get a check. I would have to say the con about not having an advance, other than not knowing how much you're going to make from your book, is that there's no upfront money for marketing. Marketing is so important. Most authors don't have a publicist. For me, I'm spending money out of my own pocket to market my books. That can sometimes be hard since you don't really know if your marketing is working. To counteract this, I try and study up on tried and true methods of marketing books. I take part in blog tours, and I do a lot of free marketing, which includes creating my own images to share. And I set up my own content calendar as well. It kind of sucks not having that money up front, but at least I've been a lot more creative with my marketing. Number 4. Book events are hard. When I sold my first trilogy, I was so excited to go to all of these book events with my book and talk to readers and get really excited about the trilogy. I created tons of bookmarks and promo materials. I expected that to be enough. After a few events, it kind of put me down a few notches. I learned that you really need to hook a reader and sell the book right then and there. To be honest, at many fairs, you get a lot of stuff from different vendors and then it either ends up in the garbage or, like my bookmarks, they might have ended up in a different book that wasn't mine. I'm just being real here. Out of all the cons, I have to say this one hurts the most. I love talking to people about books and about reading and about writing, but without anything physical to sell, it's hard. But you know what? I don't regret my choice for a minute. I enjoy being a digital first author because of all the reasons I said in my pros video. I've published 11 books in 6 years, and I think that's pretty good. So that's it. If you enjoyed this video, do give it a like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you know the next time I post. See you soon.